European Quality Award. Dr. Munir Alam, founder of Pakistan Academy of Cosmetic Surgery, graduate of King Edward Medical College, Lahore, 1991, double FRCS from the Royal College of Surgeons, Edinburgh, and the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland in the year 2000, FCPS in Plastic Surgery from the College of Physicians and Surgeons, Pakistan in the year 2005, International and European Board of Cosmetic Surgery in the year of 2009. Co-chairman and moderator. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and Assalamu alaikum. It's Munir Alam, Assistant Professor of Plastic Surgery, Independent Medical College and Consultant Plastic Surgeon, Faisalabad. I'm presenting today minimally invasive scarless advanced cosmetic surgery of lower face and neck. My name is Dr. Munir Alam. I'm Assistant Professor of Plastic Surgery in Independent Medical College and Consultant Plastic Surgeon in Faisal Hospital, Faisalabad, Pakistan. My topic of presentation today is role of vaser liposelection in the treatment of gynecomastia and new clinical classification. To summarize my presentation today, this is ambulatory procedure. Patient walks in the operation theater and walks out of the operation theater. It is performed under local anesthetic in tumescent technique with minimal or no scarring. It's very low risk procedure and with high satisfaction level. It's effective in grade 2 and 3 gynecomastia as compared to other techniques. And it helps removing in fibrotic glandular tissue, doesn't require surgical excision and doesn't require skin resection with this technique. It also helps in psychological improvement of the patient.
Now, the starting our session, our first speaker is Dr. Munir Alam. And he is going to give a speech on the topic of facial wrinkles and their treatment. He is a consultant plastic surgeon at Faisal Hospital, Faisalabad.
I formulated my own peels into 3 different types: superficial, medium, and deep.
So the next talk is from Dr. Munir Alam, again on peeling of the skin. Dr. Munir Alam, please.
Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. Patron-in-Chief, organizer, ladies and gentlemen. Any procedure or surgery performed to improve the shape or appearance of the face or the body is known as cosmetic surgery. It's a surgical procedure for the face and the neck lift. I use my techniques, vaser liposelection and suture technique to make it tight and remove the excess fat. So correction of the prominent ears. The vaser liposelection can be performed for all the grades 1, 2, 3 of gynecomastia.